Is this carry-on travel backpack going to be worth it for your travels this year? Let's find out. So first off, this is going to be approved for airlines or airplanes. You can put this under your seat or you can use it as a carry-on and put it overhead. Now what I really like about this is that not only does it act as a backpack, but it kind of acts as a mini suitcase as well. So I'm going to start here at the top with the main compartments, and one thing to notice is that you have these little belt clips right here. These actually allow you to expand the backpack when you do unclip them. So unclip them on both sides, and then once you unclip those belt clips, there's going to be a zipper at the bottom, and once you unzip that all the way, if you look, you can now expand the backpack even more. So you have even more room to put your clothes, items, so nothing gets too squished. That does pop out, you have a lot more room. So the first one on the top here is gonna be for your larger items. So you have a big old pocket right here, and then you have a laptop compartment here too. You can fit a 17, I believe, and a half-inch laptop in here, which is pretty awesome. So I have a MacBook, it works perfect with this. You can strap it down right here, and then right here you have that little kangaroo pouch in front of the laptop pocket. So you can have even more room to put any chargers, portable chargers, anything like that. When it comes to where you're gonna be putting your clothes, if you look at the bottom here, there's gonna be a set of zippers. Unzip that on the front here, and that's gonna open up like this. You now have a whole compartment to put any of your clothes right here. Fold them up, put them right in here. You have so much room since you can expand that backpack out even more. Now it kind of looks more like a suitcase. So you have tons of room to put your clothes, socks, underwear, shirts. Even probably pants could fit in here. A couple pairs of pants, some shorts. Gonna be perfect as well if you're not gonna be gone for too long, maybe a couple days, you just need a couple outfits. You can even get a power bank, plug it into this USB that's gonna run through the side right here. You can plug a charger in here and charge your phone or any devices too. Next to the clothes compartment, you have this other section here, and that's gonna have a waterproof pocket right here. Gonna be great for any toiletries or anything in that sort of nature. You have a middle row of pouches right here, gonna be great for your phone, power banks, and then you have this like skinny one too. You can put your toothbrush maybe or any little chargers, anything like that, cables. And then you have two of these mesh pockets here at the bottom too, which can also fit power banks, anything like that, you know, whatever you're gonna be taking that's a little bit bigger. So those were the two biggest pockets. Now you move on to these smaller ones. So in the front here, you have this little small pouch. On this side, you have two side pockets here. This one doesn't go too deep, but if you look right next to it and unzip that one goes a lot deeper. So you have two of these little side pouches. One's not too deep, the other one is a lot deeper right here. And then on the bottom here, you have another pocket for your items, pretty deep. Flip it over on the back and you have your anti-theft pocket. So it blends in a lot more, that unzips, and again, more room for your items. Pretty much the same size pouch as the front one here. Now when it comes to carrying it, there's so many ways to carry it too. You can strap it like this, fully adjustable. It even has a front clip right here, so it's a little bit more comfortable, nothing sliding or anything. There's also a handle on the top. You also have a handle on the side. And then right here on the back, there's also a strap that you can attach to your actual luggage. So if your luggage has a handle that comes up and pops up, you can just hang the strap over that. That's gonna allow you to set your backpack down on your luggage, and then you can just roll your luggage away or, you know, do whatever you want with that. So overall, would definitely recommend this backpack for any traveling that you're gonna be doing this year. It literally has every pocket that you need, especially if you just wanna take a backpack and maybe a carry-on suitcase. This is gonna be perfect. And knowing that I can have literally everything in my backpack, clothes, chargers, laptop, anything that I'm gonna be taking is great. So definitely a great all-in-one backpack for traveling, would highly recommend it.